Thank you very much, Honorable Minister from Djibouti. And now, Evolution Body, could you please introduce the next file, building and use of expanded Dogat boards in Zuma region, draft decision 16.com, 8.8.2, submitted by Estonia. Over to you, Luba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The next file is building and use of expanded dugout boats in Soomaa region, submitted by Estonia. The Estonian expanded dugout boat from the Soomaa region is a canoe-like boat hollowed out from a single tree, usually aspen, with expanded sides and a shallow base. The building of a dugout boat is a complex process, beginning with identifying a suitable tree and culminating with the boat's launch. Dugout boat building is a communal activity involving masters and apprentices. The evaluation body considered that the nomination met all 5 criteria and considered the file a good example of a well-prepared file. The body particularly appreciated the video that reflects the spirit of the convention. The evaluation body also emphasized the quality of the safeguarding measures and an active role for communities in their implementation. In conclusion, the evaluation body recommends the inscription of this element on the list of intangible cultural heritage in need of urgent safeguarding. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your explanation. The Bureau did not receive any request for debate or amendment for this file. So may I therefore ask the committee to adopt draft decision on this file as shown on the screens as a whole. So I see, yeah? Anybody raising hand? No. Yeah, I see no objection. So I therefore declare decision 16.com 8.A2 adopted as seen on the screens. Now, Estonia, the floor is now yours for 2 minutes, please. Over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. On behalf of Estonia, I celebrate this inscription of the dugout boat from the Soomaa region. It is a local identity marker safeguarding particular knowledge and skills. UNESCO lists may also serve to foster cooperation and sharing of ICH across the globe. Therefore, our northern dugout boat wishes excellent sailing for the southern Micronesian canoe just inscribed. We now share a greeting clip by the Soomaa community. Please play the video greeting.
So, thank you for inscription. It's great honor for dugout canoe community. Thank you. Aitäh.
On behalf of the Soomaa community, I would like to thank the UNESCO committee for accepting the Soomaa dugout boat culture in the list of intangible cultural heritage in urgent need of safeguard. It is an immense honor for our culture to be part of that list, and it gives us a great hope that our culture will live on. Thank you. And we like to thank Aivar Ruukel as well.
Hello, my name is Aivar Ruukel and I am one of the builders of dugout boats in Soomaa National Park. And it is a great news that finally our culture of building and using dugout boats in Soomaa National Park get listed into the UNESCO Intangible Heritage List. So especially glad I am because of the fact that now this status will help us to find younger men who will be interested to continue and build these boats. Thank you so much.
Yes, you saw how cold you're feeling. Anyway, they were making these boats, right? Congratulations. So thank you, Estonia. And now,
Thank you.
evaluation body, could you please introduce the next file,